So up next, let's discuss how to buy your first domain name. See, for that we have to open our browser, type in.godaddy.com, and as our idea is to buy a .com domain name, so let's search something which is related to our domain. So as we are taking an example of fitness, so let's write fitness here, and let's see if a .com domain name on fitness.com is available or not. So we are searching and it is saying that fitness.com is taken. If you still want to buy it, they will charge a brokerage fee of 4059 plus whatever the rate of the website or the domain name the owner of this domain name at present wants to sell it. Also, it is showing us some options below this, which is like fitnessnow.co, fitness.city, fitness.website, fitnesspt.com. But this domain name again, it is showing that this is 2,15,522. So the owner who has bought this domain maybe years ago is using it as an asset and he wants to sell it at 2,15,522. Add their brokerage fee 4059 in it and you can buy this domain name for at this cost. From next year onwards, the charges will be 899 per year for renewing this domain. So this is how you can buy a domain name. But as we have said that we don't want to spend this much to buy a domain name or something. So fitness is the domain where we want to work in. So there is an option. Let's go to a website called Lean Domain Search. Don't worry, all these links or anything I'll be sharing in the description of the videos as well. So you don't need to copy this or write this somewhere. Just focus on what we are doing here. Now write fitness here. So what this website does is it shows you a list of all the domain names having the keyword that you have written there and shows you all the .com domain names available with that. At present it is showing Amicus Fitness, Municipal Fitness, Arbitrage Fitness, Moneymaker Fitness, and then you can sort them based on their length, or you can also see that whether the search term that you have given is coming at the beginning of the domain name or at the end of the domain name. So if we select start with search term this, there is no domain name available. If we search for end with this, now all in all we are finding 15 domain names here, which means that we are we have an option of very few domain names to choose from. So what we can do here is we can change the search term. Let's have it as fit and let's enter. Now it is showing us 584 available .com domain names ending with fit because we have already entered fit. Now if we click on all, it is showing 607 available .com domain names. Now as you can see, this is a brilliant way of finding a .com domain name. Now it is showing MitraFit, CarrotFit, CredoFit, ProsFit, AngusFit, AskMeFit, and as we have sorted it by length and we are searching for all, so this is showing all the options based on the shortest length. If we see this is 8 characters. So all these are 8 characters up till here. There are some 8 characters here as well, but then it goes into 9 characters and 10 characters. As we scroll down, the length of the domain names increases. So this is based on the sorting, so this is very simple. So let's say I like this askmefit.com. Let's go to GoDaddy. Let's write here askmefit.com, and it's showing it is available. And look at this, guys, It is available at 199 rupees for the first year if you buy for 2 years. Now for buying this domain name, don't add these at present. If you want to add, you are free to add, because this actually means that you are preserving your domain name. Like, you are having askmefit.com. If it becomes a success, I'll buy askmefit.in, and I can also take some chunk out of your success with the help of this domain name only. So if you want to buy, you can buy. Let's buy this as well. And so it is showing that 1996 is the total amount, where we are buying askmefit.in and askmefit.com both for 2 years. So this thing, if you want to reduce, you can do it for 1 year. Once we do 1 year, it becomes 449 rupees. And here, if we do for 1 year, it becomes 849 rupees. So 1298. Or you can delete either of these, but as we want to keep a .com domain name, this is something which I always suggest. So if you want to delete, you can delete this, or if you want to keep it, you can keep it and continue to cart. Now here it is saying that create an email address that matches your domain name, like puneet@askmefit.in. So this email anyways we'll be getting with the hosting that we are going to buy later. So let's keep it at no thanks. Linux web hosting, we don't want web hosting from GoDaddy at present, so let's click no thanks here. Let's continue on to cart. So it is asking to buy a domain name privacy and protection. What is domain name privacy and protection is, there is a whois directory, which means that that directory is visible to everyone. Whois directory has your name, your email ID and your contact number that is available in that whois directory. If you buy this, there will be a dummy name and dummy email address and a dummy phone number on that whois directory, and nobody will be able to reach you by this, because normally once you buy a domain name, there will be a number of people trying to sell you their web designing services or all those services. So if you don't want these spams to be coming your way, you can buy this, otherwise this will have no impact. So this we have selected. We are buying .com domain name, askmefit.com and askmefit.in at a price of 1298 for the first year. So let's click on checkout. I'm already having an account, so that's why it is showing an account here. But if I don't want to use this account, or in your case if you are not having an account, let's click on create an account. You'll have to enter your email ID, your username and password. Once you click on this create account, you'll be asked to confirm your email address by going to your email box and then clicking on that. Once you click on that, you come here, it will show you your cart. So you can just enter your payment details, like your credit card number or debit card number or net banking information or UPI or anything, and then check out, and those domain names will be available with you. Now once you have bought that domain name, I'll show you how it is going to work after that. So once you have bought your domain name, this is what you are going to see. Your username will appear here. Just click on this, visit my account, and here you will see all the domain names that you have bought. At present we have bought askmefit.com and askmefit.in, so those will appear here only. So with this we come to the end of how you are going to buy your domain name, and in the next session let's focus on what kind of web hosting you need and where to buy it from.